What's more powerful? Cruise ships, alligators, rockets, smart home assistants, pressure cookers, artificial intelligence, or Avery Labels? AI might take everyone's jobs. Avery Labels just make everyone's jobs easier. Alligators, able to remain submerged for up to 24 hours, are basically waterproof. Waterproof Avery Labels, which don't need to breathe, are actually waterproof. 34 hours of preparation by scientists go into a rocket launch that lasts less than 2 minutes. 80 years of research and development by Avery scientists go into producing the highest quality labels, which can be printed on in less than 2 minutes using Avery's design and print online software. Or we can print it for you with Avery WePrint. Cruise ships rely on 50,000 horsepower to ship people across oceans. Avery Labels rely on features like ultra-hold adhesive to ship packages and brands across the globe. That means when store brand labels fall off, you can trust Avery Labels to stick. Smart home assistants help you with tasks of all types.
Device, turn on the porch light.
Okay, turning on the Porsche. You don't own a Porsche.
Avery products also help you with tasks of all types, giving you the look you want with our easy-to-use Avery Design and Print online software to print labels of whatever size, shape, and material you need with features like surface-safe adhesive that sticks strong but removes cleanly with no damage to walls. Out-of-control pressure cookers have the power to dissolve your dinner, while you have the power to dissolve Avery dissolvable labels. Just one of the many special materials Avery Labels are available in. Your pressure cooker may offer customer support, but by the time you call, it's already too late.
Do you cover kitchen damage?
It's never too late to get help, templates, or even a little inspiration from Avery's best-in-class customer support team.
Thank you for calling Avery Products. This is Erin. How may I help you today?